Have you been injured and think you have a claim against the City of New York, and you're not sure if you've waited too long to bring that claim? Well, listen to this video and I'll tell you a story about how we were successfully able to help someone with that process. My name is Dennis Ryan. I'm a personal injury attorney in New York, and our office helps many injured people in their claims against the City of New York. Now, you may have heard me talk in the past on the channel about how you need to file a notice of claim within 90 days against the City of New York on any potential claim that you may have. Recently, an employee of the New York City Department of Sanitation came to me after that 90-day deadline to ask if he still had a chance to bring a claim. Even though it was after the 90-day deadline, our office still signed up this case, and we made a petition to the court asking us for an exception to the 90-day rule. Now, we were eventually successful, and the worker is able to proceed forward with his claim. But it's important to know some of the reasons why we were able to win this claim. When the injured worker came to us, the first thing we did was ask to see his line of duty injury report to review it to see what the contents showed. Thankfully, this worker was very good about giving a descriptive reason of why he was injured and what caused him to suffer those injuries. Because of that, we were able to argue to the court that the city was well aware that it was their wrongdoing that caused this particular person's injuries. Now, the injured worker also did a very good job of pointing out on the report the parts of his body that he suffered injury to. So the city had already been well aware that not only had he suffered injuries, but that he was getting ongoing treatment for these particular injuries. When we went before the court and argued, we were able to say that the court should grant an exception here because the city had already been notified of these potential injuries and should have been aware that a lawsuit could be brought against them. Ultimately, the court agreed with us and allowed us to proceed with the case. It is important to know that it's better to be safe than sorry. You shouldn't always wait for the exception to apply. It's best to contact an attorney and speak with them right away and not hope that you can get around the exception to the rule after the 90-day period. But it's also important to remember, make sure your line of duty injury reports are as descriptive as possible, that you explain what caused you to be hurt and what parts of your body were injured, so that if you do have to try and argue the exception, you give yourself the best shot to do it. It's also important to know that this worker came to us only a small period of time after that 90-day period had passed. The longer you wait to talk to an attorney, the harder it is for you to win that claim. If we had not been successful in this particular argument, this worker would not have been able to bring a personal injury lawsuit where he's seeking money for his pain and suffering, lost overtime, and potentially medical bills in the future. And what this case highlights is just how important it is to speak with an attorney who's familiar with handling claims against the City of New York, and how important it is to do this as soon as possible to give yourself the best chance to win these type of cases. Now, at our law firm, we are very familiar with handling cases against the City of New York, and we represent many city workers who often have claims when they hurt on the job. We offer free consultations, and you can reach us at any time. If you or someone you know has been hurt and you think you have a claim against the City of New York, contact our law firm to see if we can help you out. Even if you think you're past that 90 days and it may be too late, give us a call anyway. So if you like what you've seen on this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you can get updated as to any future videos. My name is Dennis Ryan. I'm a personal injury attorney here in New York, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.